Are you still paying agent to get your TIN or waiting for days to collect it? What if I told you can get your tax identification number online in just 30 minutes? 100% free of charge, no hustle and no middleman. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your FIRS TIN number through your smartphone or laptop, even if you have not registered anything before. And guess what? I'm going to be walking you through the step by step on how you can be able to do this. Make sure you watch this video to the end because you're going to be holding your TIN certificate faster than you ever thought that is possible, free of charge. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do have to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, do have to like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section. So let's dive right into the video. Go to your Google Chrome or any browser that you are using. Then you type TAS Promas. Then once you type TAS Promas, it will bring you to this first interface. So you're going to click on this first option here that you can see, taspromas.firs.gov.ng. so that is the one that you are going to click on. So let's click on it. It's going to bring you to this interface. So you can see login. If you have already logged in before, if you are registered before, you can log in directly. Then you will see register, validate TCC, non-resident registration request. So those are for people that are not residing in Nigeria. So what we are going to do now is we are going to click on register. So we bring it to this interface. You can see Corporate Affairs Commission, State Incorporation, Individuals, Continue Registration. Now we are going to click on Corporate Affairs Commission because we want to generate the TIN from CAC registration. So we're going to click on Corporate Affairs Commission. To bring you to this interface, you will see different options. We have unlimited, we have enterprise, trustee, limited partnership, limited liability partnership. So depend on the type of company that you want to do it for. Is it a limited liability company? Is it enterprise? Enterprise means a business name. Then trustee, partnership. So depend on the one you want to do it for, then you select that one. So the one I want to do for now is enterprise, that is business name. Then you type in the number of that company of the business. Once you are done, then you click on search. It will automatically populate some of the information of that company, of that business. So you can see some of the information. You can see the name, the CSC number, the contacts, email contact, the phone number. They are going to send you an OTP, so you can select either your phone number or email that they will send the OTP to. If you want to use the email that you used to register that CSC, or use the phone number. So I'm going to select email. Then I will enter the email address in this box. Once you are done with the email, then you click on send OTP. Your OTP was sent to the email selected. So you can see that they have sent me an OTP. So I'm going to wait for some minutes. Then I'm going to check that email to get the OTP. Then I continue the registration. So let me go and check my email now. So you can see the email now that they sent to me, TAS Promas. So I will click on it, then I will get the OTP that they sent to me. So I will copy the OTP and go back. So you come back and paste the OTP that they sent to you. Then click on validate. Automatically it will bring you to this interface. So you can see all your details. You can see your TIN number, your FIRS TIN number. Then you can see all your address. So the next thing is you're going to fill in the other section to validate the TIN number, because we have already gotten the TIN number. So the next thing is for you to validate the TIN number. So I'm going to fill in the other details. Now I'm going to fill in the current address, my mobile number, my email. The email, you can see, use the same email, precise nature of business, the nature of your business, you describe it. Has the company commenced? Please tick as appropriate. So you click yes. Date in which account will be made up to, just leave it the way it is. Then on the next section, has the company commenced a new business, or was it formed to carry out an existing? So the business has already commenced, as it's already in existence. So we click on this, it will bring you to the interface. Then it will show you classification. Then select the classification of the business. So you have different options depend on the one that your business fall within. After that, you enter the other option. So I'll fill in my current address, the nature of my business, then I'll select yes, my company is registered. The classification of business, I'll select that. Then the office selection, so make sure you select the office selection. So I'm in Warrior, I've selected that. Then you click on activate email. Once you click on activate email, it will show you all of these details. So it's for you to fill in these details. So you fill in your full name, your phone number, your email to be, confirm the email, enter user designation, that is your position in the company. Then make sure you take this place, then enter your designation before you submit. So let me fill in this detail, then we're going to click on submit. So I'm done with filling all the details. We're going to click on submit. So make sure that you check everything, to cross check that everything is in order before you click on submit. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Congratulations, your FIRS TIN, you can see your TIN number has been sent to, so you can check your email, you will see the TIN number, so which means you have successfully validated your TIN number. If I come to my email now, you can see that they have sent me an email. So I'll click on it. So you can see now, congratulations, your registration was successful. So you can see my TIN number that was sent to me. So I'm going to go back to taxpromas.firs.gov.ng to log into this account. Then from there I can change my password and put in the password I can remember. So let's go back. So to log in, you click on login, enter your email address and the password that they sent to you on your email. Once you are done, you click on login. So you have to hold on for some time for the admin to activate your account. It may take some period of time, so just hold on for some hours, or if that day is Sunday, like today is Sunday, you can wait for the next day, then your account will be activated. Then you can log into your TaxPromas account, whereby you can perform any activity that you want to perform with your account. So this is how to activate your FIRS TIN number. And just like that, you now know how to get your TIN online in less than 30 minutes, completely free, stress free, no agent and no extra cost. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you have any question concerning this, you can drop it on the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. Now if you want to take it to another level and you want to register your business on CAC, you can click on the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. I've done a complete video and you can be able to do this by yourself. So I'll see you in my next video.